Hey guys and girls, I'm Julia with the YouTube channel Wig Review Central. Pinkee Promise Wigs and I welcome you to this review of the Rene of Paris WYATT style. WYATT is a chin-length synthetic bob with a beautiful light side swept bang which complements the eyes. This basic cap is modern and right on trend. WYATT is a basic cap wig, which means it's affordable. I like the natural density, the volume, and the natural movement. Well, let's take a look at this beautiful style up close. WYATT has a basic cap. Here at the front you have a velour comfort band, so it's very soft against your hairline. Under this fabric mesh is a moderate amount of permatease, which gives the style its shape and volume. On either side of the cap, you have these fabric small adjustable ear tabs. The sides and the back are open wefted for air circulation and scalp coolness. At the nape, you have a slender velour nape and buckle adjusters, which allow you to adjust the circumference of the wig cap up to 1/2 inch. WYATT's cap size is average, which fits a head measuring 22 inches in circumference, exactly my head size. Now WYATT fits me a little snug right out of the box with the adjusters on the loosest setting, so I don't feel that this style would work well for someone with a larger than 22-inch circumference. However, if you're a petite or petite average, you should be able to wear this style without a problem. The synthetic fiber is very soft to the touch. It mimics human hair. I really like the density that WYATT has. WYATT is a basic cap, which means it does not have a lace front, nor does it have a lace or monofilament top or part. This is what the hairline will look like if you wear the style off the face. It is not meant to be worn off the face. It is meant to be worn with the fringe or bangs here at the front. Now, even though there's not a monofilament or lace part, because this is a rooted color, it gives the illusion of parting space. Just because you don't have a designated part doesn't mean you can't part this wig, particularly if it is a rooted color. So here it's parted to the left. Let's part it down the center to see what it will look like. Now you can wear the bangs combed down in the front or off to the side, whatever you prefer. Let's try this style parted to the right. Now there's some permatease which gives the style its volume and shape. If you find that you have too much permatease here at the top, you can always take a steamy washcloth and press it down at the top to see if it can't relax some of those wiry permatease fibers. Well, let's take a closer look at this style from all sides. I am wearing WYATT in the beautiful color Snowy Sapphire-R, which is a rooted color. Now keep in mind that the Rene of Paris rooted colors are more expensive. You'll have to add an additional $15.30 to the retail price of the wig. Now Snowy Sapphire-R is a blend of silver, white, and soft blue with soft black roots. It is a cool tone color. Well, let's take a look at this color outside in natural light. this is a short style, you do have some styling options with WYATT. This style looks very pretty, tucked behind the ear. Now you could always leave some of the side fringe out when you tuck it behind the ear for just a very modern look. The style also does have permatease to give it volume, so you can take your fingers and stir up that permatease throughout so you can have as much volume as you would like. If you have questions about WYATT or this color, I'm more than happy to answer. Please leave those in the comments section below. Now, if you wear WYATT, we would love to hear your experience with this style. Now, if you're interested in purchasing WYATT, I highly recommend the website pinkeepromise.com. You know, I have received wigs from Pinkee Promise for a couple of years now. I've always been pleased with the customer service. If you have questions before you buy, you simply email support@pinkeepromise.com to get answers. Now, when you visit the Pinkee Promise website, on the home page, scroll down to the bottom and sign up for the mailing list. You'll immediately receive a 30% off discount code, good on your first purchase. Plus, you'll receive email alerts about fantastic sales and wig brand new releases. Well, thank you so much for watching my review of WYATT. Take care.